So welcome to the Hyrel YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all this new apparatus we have for filling up the cartridges that will be used to print on the Viscotec head. So right here I have one of the plastic cartridges that would usually go inside one of these stainless steel apparatuses once it is fully filled. So what we have to fill is we're using a Venturi system with pressure coming in one end, causing a vacuum to come out the top and suck in whatever material you are using to then fill your cartridge with the absence of air, because you don't want any air bubbles when you're filling up your Viscotec head, or else the prints are going to be inconsistent. So right now I'm bypassing the solenoid that we have. Usually the solenoid would control when the pressure comes in, but right now we don't have that wired up, so I'm just going to be controlling the pressure with the air compressor right here. So as you can see, when I turn on the air compressor, turn on to only about 30 psi, you can start to hear it and see the suction pulling up the material into the cartridge. So to keep it from being messy, I'm just showing a demonstration right now. That's how it would fill up. You'd wait to see whatever level you'd want on your cartridge, and then after that, you connect your cartridge via this pneumatic fitting to the pneumatic fitting on your Viscotec head. They should line up right to each other, and you'll just connect these two. And then there will be a valve at one point, but for now, switch over your pressure to the top. And you pressurize the top of your canister, and this will make the material that you just sucked up extrude out into the Viscotec head at a consistent rate for whatever you're trying to print. So I'll turn up the pressure. So yes, you use your compressor, or when we have the solenoid ready, activate your solenoid, creating pressure coming through your cartridge, and it will shoot the material out into your Viscotec head. We actually have different options for the type of cartridge you can use. As you can see right here, we have a syringe, 30 milliliter syringe, with also a pneumatic fitting that can connect straight into your Viscotec head. This would mount to the same gib that the larger cartridge is mounted to. And then there's this whole own assembly of a stainless steel cartridge. This would be for higher pressures, anything above 30 psi. You would use this, same exact installation process. The clamp is a little bit different on this, just like a bike, but you just get it situated at the correct height you want, and then again, install it, have the pneumatic fitting going directly into your Viscotec head. So there's plenty of options for the type of cartridges you can use, and it'll give people lots of opportunity to print with this Viscotec head, and hopefully the easiest way possible. That's what we're trying to make right now.